Tired of just hearing about Bitcoin? Let's turn your Android phone into a mini Bitcoin mining machine and start earning Satoshis, the smallest unit of Bitcoin. First, you'll need the core mining app. I've included a link in the description below. Tap to download and install the app to your Android device. Once installed, open the app and create an account. You will need to use your email and set up a strong password. Also, there is usually a verification code sent. You will need to enter that. Now, look for the prominent Start Mining button, usually located in the center of the screen. Tap it to initiate the mining process. Don't worry, it's not as power-intensive as traditional Bitcoin mining. The app will now simulate mining activity. You'll see blocks being added, and your Satoshi balance will gradually increase. Remember, this is fractional Bitcoin, so don't expect to get rich overnight. Periodically, check the app for opportunities to claim your earned Satoshis or participate in bonus events to boost your earnings. Withdrawal minimums vary, so familiarize yourself with the app's policies. Remember to check the app daily and claim your rewards to maximize your earning potential. Happy Satoshi mining!